this is just the tip of the iceberg, that the capabilities of AIs are continuing to increase. Mythos is right, on the straight line of growing capabilities of AI. And what is it going to be in 6 months? What is it going to be in 2 years or 5 years?
Well, it sounds terrifying.
Well, it should be, because we're not taking it seriously enough, and we're not having the discussions together internationally and nationally to make sure we can steer the beast in a direction that will be good for us.
Right. But Claude Mythos is already out there.
Yes.
We normal people have not influenced this in any way. It's already done.
Yes.
We can't change that. We can't go back. We can't unknow this stuff. That's
right. But we can ask those companies to have much more transparency about what they do, what sorts of risk evaluation they do. We can eventually make sure that the decisions about what they do with the technology, who currently is benefiting from that technology to protect their systems. Well, a few American companies. What about European companies, for example? And who decides what to do with those systems? It should be something that comes from governments or multilateral organizations, so that it's not just up to the goodwill of some CEO.